Is that
That's the
fun,
volume
Junior?
knob. That's the important one.
How fun. So you've been swimming, Macy? You've been in your pool? No.
No, not lately.
What have you been doing? Hanging out with Mom? Huh? Have you been hanging out with your mommy? Woo-hoo.
You're so shy, huh?
Do this. Do this.
I don't think Junior's shy, do you, Ashley?
Yeah.
Is he a little bit?
Yeah.
Like this.
Wow. How fun.
Say hi to YouTube, Grandma.
Oh no.
Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh,
Say hi, YouTube.
They don't even know what's going on.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Is Macy going to say hi?
Now
Macy says hi all the time, huh?
let's put this down.
Well, we saw the Beckers the other night.
Oh, yeah?
They were pulling the two little boys in the wagon.
Yeah.
How was that? Was that
And
fun?
Coach
Was that
had
fun?
his floppy hat on. He's waving, and I said, "Is that Renee and Coach?" And I said,
How
"Yes,
about you?
it
You
is."
want to come
I
play?
go back around.
Has real music.
Wow.
All right, man.
There
Sing
you
too.
go.
We're gonna have some
Here.
real music.
Do that. With your hand. Here, take this. Put
Yeah,
this in
she
your
can
hand,
probably do it.
honey. Go ahead.
Oh, how fun. How fun, Mimi.
Is that fun? Here, you play it.
Play
You
it,
want to
man.
do it, Mimi?
Here, you play it.
All you have to do is hang on to that and hit it.
Here.
So how's Lindsay doing? Is she getting closer to her time?
Go.
Lindsay?
Go. Gotta get some water. What do you think? Huh? Here we go. Okay.
Half full.
Any Jimi Hendrix yet?
No, not yet.
Good.
That's pretty good, Dad.
Oh boy, here it comes. No flavor.
That's pretty good.
What do you got there, man? Water? Big girl. Cutie pie. Too shy.
Oh boy, that was steady.
Sit up nice, honey.
That was steady.
Here.
Water.
Yeah.
Look at
Here
it.
you go.
Junior's got his water, Ashley.
Oh my goodness, goodness. Look at the smile.
What a big
Careful.
boy.
Wow.
Sit
And
and
Mimi,
drink it.
she's got hers. Macy, she knew how to run the machine.
Oh my goodness, such a big girl.
Did you, Macy? Hmm? Wow.
Jeez, Junior, leading the pack.
I'm going for it.
Oh, you're way over there in the corner.
Oh.
He's back there in the corner.
What are you looking at? It's a Liberty.
See the big bird back there?
Actually, that's probably a smaller one.
There it is.
Come here, man. I'll pick you up.
You see the birdie?
That's kind of neat how she got here.
See the bird?
It's kind of neat how they got her here.
You see the bird? The white head up there? You see the bird? I can't see it.
I wish it would come over here. So she...
Here, man. Stand right there on that board.
See, Macy, this
See the
bird.
See the birdie up there?
This picture, that bird is up in the tree.
He's awesome, isn't he?
See the
Uh-huh.
bird? Doesn't look bald to me.
Is that what they sound like, Tim? Because
No.
they do that, you're doing really good.
That's a wounded animal.
Speak softly, move slowly. Treat our ego with respect.
You see it?
Wish she'd come out of there.
He's
Maybe
like,
you see the
That's
"Here."
where
birdie?
he was last
Do you see the
time.
bird?
Eagle? Eagle?
Oh, shade, it's protected more.
Hold my hand. We're going to.
Oh,
Go get him. He's looking at you.
Uh-huh.
look at him. Come here, come here.
Amy, watch.
Here, let me lift you up, bud.
Watch.
I don't know if I can find it.
Look at it.
I think they'll jump.
He'll jump.
There you go.
Watch, watch.
Here they go.
See him, Meg? There's a snake.
Where?
See the
Oh, I
snake
see it, yep.
No, where?
It went in right there.
Oh, he already went under.
Anyways, he slithered in there.
There.
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah,
See
there
him?
you go.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
You see him, Mom?
Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh,
freaky.
he's gone.
Following the toad.
Stay away from him.
You guys are lucky I didn't start screaming, you know.
You could put the spoiler on this, especially if it had the little bigger wheels. There's a cornfield. You posing for you?
I didn't go on this one last time.
Uh-oh, we're lost.
Well, there's the gate.
Yeah, I know, I think we're almost out. Well, here's the blue, yeah, the blue dots go that way. This is yellow, so this ain't too bad. Yeah, look at the log, yeah.
Well, when we did that big
That's a big
pond,
log, huh?
well,
Look at this, look at it.
the other way. If you go the opposite way, which we could do,
Here's a
it's
fort.
not that far.
You know, your little boy, he just went in the woods and built a fort.
Touch your feet, Ashley.
They're fine. I'm not a nature
I don't know
person.
if that's what today, but I just walked through. It's 3 leaves, so.
What? This is what?
Well, I bet them that you two would be sitting in the car.
Well, we were about to go
We were
there.
giving you like 10 minutes, and then we were gonna go.
Yeah, you lasted longer than I thought you would.
Did you see the pond?
Okay, stop and say hi. Give me a picture.
I saw last time. Oh, you saw a pond though? That's good.
Daddy, or you gotta get a little closer. There we go. Okay.
Okie dokie.